Hello everybody, welcome back to our channel. So welcome back to another meal plan and grocery haul. If you're new around here, my name is Shakema. How y'all doing? Please hit that red subscribe button. We love to keep you as a part of our YouTube community. Also hit the little bell, that way you never miss an upload from us. We're glad to have you in our kitchen. So I wanted to share with you guys exactly what the kids and I were thinking this week for meals and for our groceries. And so you're going to see the grocery haul after this clip or after the next couple clips. But I wanted to share with you my meal plan that I have going for, today is Wednesday, so my meal plan starts on Sunday, but you're going to see Wednesday through Saturday. I've got to figure out a way to change that in my book because I shop on Wednesdays. That's the day my sales roll for the week. So and I like to shop on the first day of the sale because I don't want to miss any deals. That's why. Because normally I'm used to getting my super doubles. And if you wait any days after super double starts, you are not getting any deals at all. So that's why I always shop on the day of the sale that starts. So anywho, let me turn my camera around and share with you the meal plan. Okay, you guys, so here is my meal plan. This is for November 11th through the 16th. And of course, it is already the 14th. So you're missing some, you didn't see some of these things early. But on Sunday, we actually end up having spaghetti squash and Parmesan pork chops. Then on Monday, we had more spaghetti squash because I had a couple squash that I needed to use. But this time we actually made this like spaghetti and meatballs. I had some sweet Italian sausage, turkey sausage that we just cut up into little dices or little discs. And they, when they cooked, they plumped up and looked like meatballs. So we actually just used that in the squash. Last night, which was Tuesday night, I had watched Shelby over at the Queen's Cabinet. If you have not watched Shelby, I'll try to see if I can link her video up in the cards. And she talked about this, she called it Memphis hot chicken. Let me tell you, I didn't find that recipe, but I found one called Chef John's Nashville hot chicken. Oh my word, was that chicken delish. It was the best chicken ever, and it was really spicy, but my kids liked it. They were like, Mom, can we have that chicken again? I was like, maybe on Friday. So we actually have some of the sauce left. I'm actually going to do some chicken breast tonight, which I didn't write that down in here. Chicken breast, and I'm not real sure what kind of veggies. We might just do it on a salad because I do have some salad greens we have to use up. So chicken breast is going here tonight, and we're doing a garlic parmesan chicken breast. Tomorrow is small group for our side of town, so we're doing sandwiches, and it's bring your own meat, and they will supply the bread and tomatoes, lettuce, and stuff. So since we're not having bread, we're going to do sandwich bowls. So we have some sliced ham in the freezer. We also have some steakums. So we're going to take this so that it is already cooked, and we'll just microwave it, and we'll just have everything on the lettuce. And then for Friday night, we're going to do the Nashville hot chicken. We have chicken. We did ours with chicken legs. We fried our chicken with the pork rinds and the almond flour. I'm going to show you Shelby's recipe, y'all. It's genius. Who says you can't have fried chicken on keto? So we're going to do Nashville hot chicken and waffles. So I'm going to make a fresh batch of waffles that we can have for the next few days. And then we'll have chicken and waffles for dinner. And then for Saturday, I'm going to do the spaghetti squash. I've got some ground lamb that I am going to use. And then we'll have Alfredo sauce. My kids don't mind having some of the same things more than once. So that's why we do it that way. And then let me share with you this. I felt like this was most ingenious of me. So if you borrow it, it'll be lovely. So I asked Alana to do a freezer inventory for me, and she actually did one, and let me show you what she did. So this is the inventory that Alana did for me. She has really been, she's good with my inventory. She writes everything down for me. So she just wrote it down so that we could really see what we had to work with as far as trying to make meals. But I wanted to find a way to put it into my Carrie L meal planner. And I know when I do, because there is a section for inventory in the planner. But again, I'm having to flip back to see what I have. And so that was from September the 4th is when I did this inventory. And of course, we've since then scratched off things, but I was still having to flip back and forward. Doesn't mean I'm not going to use that section, because I will, but I found something that was great in my estimation. It might not be great in anybody else's estimation, but I thought it was well. So what I did was I went online and I just typed in editable freezer inventory list, and this is the one I came up with. I've been using this. I've used this before in my home management binder. And so what I did was I took her list and I typed it in here, because I like a nice neat list. And of course this was two-sided. This was two-sided, because normally what I would do is I would put my freezer inventory on the back of my meal plan, and then I'm still having, you know, see here, I'm still having to flip pages, because that's on the back of this week's meal plan. So I'm still having to flip pages to figure out what I have in the freezer and what I don't. So what I decided to do this time was, this is the week's meal plan. I put the freezer inventory on the back of the previous week. And then because I tore off the grocery list, it's just, you know, it was half. So this paper fit fine, but I just had to cut off one side. So I'm just using one side. Now if I had two sides of the inventory, I would have just cut it in half. I would have stapled it at the top, and then I would have been able to flip it up and down like that. These marks just tell me how many of something I have, and then when I use it, I'll scratch it off. And then if I have some of these items for next week, then I'll repeat that. For this week's meal plan, I will put the freezer inventory on the back of this list. See, I started to write it on the back here again, but I just decided to type it out, and then now I have it, and I'm able to look at my freezer inventory plus my meal plan, and that way I can say, okay, I have ham, and we're having Sammy's, so I put ham here. You know, I'm able to do it this way. Then I've got street tacos, which we don't eat, but we use those for a small group. So if it was nacho night or taco night, then I would know I have two of those that I could take for that night as well. So I just thought that was a neat type of way to, you know, it just helps me visually to be able to see it. And it just worked out for me. The next thing I did on this side was, then I wrote down all of the things that the kids said we needed, or that I remembered that we needed, or that I found on looking at the sales. So we needed water, syrup, barbecue sauce, shredded cheese, strawberries, butter, pork rinds, heavy cream, lemon juice, seltzer water, cranberries, bacon crumbles, and cheese. So this was the grocery list, or is the grocery list. And you know, just going to rip that off and take that with me to the grocery store. Okay, everybody, so let me share with you the grocery haul. So this week I shopped at Harris Teeter. I actually had planned to shop at Aldi, but Aldi, when I went to check their ads, they really didn't have the things I was looking for. So this is our haul for at home, but also a few things for Thanksgiving. So I just got everything that I could possibly get to have for Thanksgiving. So let me share with you what I did pick up. I picked up a seltzer water. I like any of these. This is just a Harris Teeter brand. It's 12 cans for $2.79. So I make a little drink. I just do a whole can of seltzer water, a little bit of this sparkling water, and then I'll put a electrolyte packet in it and just make a drink. And I'll have like maybe one of those a day. I don't do the Bang Energies or those types of things, but this is my little thing that I have. So $2.79 here, and then I picked up a few of these Simply Clear waters for 69 cents. Now, I debated very strongly about picking these up. These are the Sweet Hawaiian Grand Biscuits, and then the Crescent Rolls. So they were 2 for $4, although the sign I saw said 3 for $5. They did not, well, the biscuits rang up 3 for $5. The Crescent Rolls didn't, but I had coupons, so I had 6 coupons. I had to buy these separate because you can only use 3 coupons per transaction. So I did 3 biscuits, and I paid 67 cents a piece for the biscuits. I had a 50 cents off coupon that doubled to $1, so they were $1.67. I paid 67 cents a piece. And then for these, I paid $1 a piece. Now, these are not for our house, and the reason I struggled with it is because I don't want to bring things into the house that are not keto friendly that my kids and I will have to make a decision. Do we really want to eat that? No, we don't want to eat that. Maybe we should eat it. Maybe we shouldn't. But so I almost put them back. But because we're going to my mom's for Thanksgiving and I know everybody there is keto except me, then I felt like we could just do those for the family. And it's going to be myself, my mom, my kids, my aunt's family, my cousin is married, and then my other, so it's going to be a lot of, all of her brothers and my mom's brothers and sisters will be there, so that will help for that. But my kids and I are not eating those, so I got these for $1 a piece because I had a coupon and 67 cents a piece. I still have plenty of coupons, and if we need more of those, I'll pick those up, so I'll ask my aunt. I got cream cheese for 99 cents for a recipe. Picked up some lemon juice. The cranberry sauce that I'm making calls for orange juice, and oranges are not keto friendly, so I'm thinking I'm going to sub in the lemon juice. I'm going to check to see if I can sub in lemon juice for the sugar-free cranberry sauce that I'm making for Thanksgiving. And so I just picked this up at $1.69. I picked up these no sugar added sweet relish. This is going to be for my deviled eggs. $2 for that. We got the sugar-free syrup. My kids use that. That was $1.99. I picked up some half and half for $2.50, and then some heavy whipping cream for, that was $2.50 as well. The next thing I got was some Jamestown brand sausage. Now, pork sausage, it's hard to find any sausage without sugar on it. So it does say sugar here, but on the nutritional facts it says 0 sugars. So I'm just going to go with it because every sausage in Harris Teeter has sugar of some kind. But this was the cheapest one they had at $1.99, and I'm going to use that in my stuffing with the pork rinds. So $1.99. This was probably one of the best deals of the day. This is the Land O'Lakes tub of butter. It was $2.69, buy one get one free, and I had a 50 cents off of one, so that was $1 off and $1 off. So I got 2 of these for 69 cents or 35 cents a piece. So that was a good deal, and if I find some more of those coupons, I'm definitely going back to get some more of this because I can freeze this no problem. Picked up the 2.5 dozen of eggs for $3.29. These fluctuate between $4.29 and $3.29. This week they were $3.29. Just so happened to be going past the markdown veggies, and they had this southern coleslaw. This is just diced up green cabbage that we like, but I think it was just getting close to the sell by date, which is the 15th, which is tomorrow. So they marked it down to $1. So we're going to have some of this for dinner, and then I'll probably have some more tomorrow, or I'll throw it in the freezer. So I got 3 packs of these for $1 each. The thing that I went in for that was the best buy, or the thing I really went into Harris Teeter for, was the cheese. It was buy 2 get 3 free, and this was the Kraft cheese. So $3.39 for 2, which was like $6 and some change, $6.80. But I got 5 bags, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Because it's buy 3 get 2 free, and then I bought 2 more and got 3 more free. The reason I got so much cheese is because we need keto cheese, which we usually use the mozzarella to make fathead dough, but then I'm going to be making keto mac and cheese with cauliflower for Thanksgiving. So I picked up those bags. We're going to throw them in the freezer until we need them. And then with this sharp cheese, I was in Walmart the other day and I saw where they had some barbecue flavored sharp cheese cubes. So the kids and I tried it last week. We had some cheese. We cut it up into little cubes. We sprayed it with a little bit of spray oil. And then we used our homemade taco seasoning that we made. And we put that on them. And we really did like them. So I figured, hey, I'll just get a couple blocks for the kids. And we can make that snack again. It worked great as a keto snack. So again, I paid for 4 of them and got 6 free. Picked up my normal paper towel at $1.80, toilet paper at $1.89, and my spa paper towels for 49 cents. Picked up some of the cauliflower and broccoli. This was 4 for $5, and then this salad was $1.99. I do have to eat more salads. I've got to get my greens in some kind of way. So I got a big bag, hoping to have salads during the days for my lunches. Lunch is now becoming my heaviest meal of the day because I can eat it right there at my desk and it's fine. The one thing you don't see pictured is a big thing of bottled waters. And so for everything you see here, I spent $63. So my budget for the week was $50. And then of course I took out just a little bit from the Thanksgiving week, which is next week, to cover what you see here. What I had not originally planned to purchase were these, because I wasn't eating these for our family, but they're going to the Thanksgiving. And then these were not on my list. So, but we're going to be able to use these for $1 a piece. So that was really good. And then, you know, your whipping cream is always a little bit more expensive, and so is your half and half. So there it is. That is the grocery haul for the week. I'm excited about everything that we were able to get, because I have things for the house. And what I'm noticing again is that I'm not getting a lot of keto things every week, because we have lots of things in the fridge, in the outside freezer, and I'm just getting what we need for the week. So of course all of the cheese will be used, but at different points. These will be snacks here. These will be for the mac and cheese. And then there's an Ibotta rebate on the Kraft mac and cheese. So if you are not on anybody's team for Ibotta, I'd love to have you join my team. It's just I get money back for doing, you know, scanning my receipt and any rebates, and you'll get money back as well. So I'll leave my Ibotta code down in the description box below if you're interested. No pressure. Please don't feel like you have to. And if you're already on somebody's team, or you have a team of your own, get your deals. I'm excited for that. So anywho, this is our grocery haul. Thank you guys so much for stopping by our channel. If you have any questions, leave us a comment down in the description box. We'll be happy to answer it as best we can. And until next grocery haul, bye now.